Welcome back to Transcendental Harmony, where we delve into the depths of spirituality, metaphysical insights, and our living a balanced life. I'm your host, Darin. In today's episode, we'll delve into the profound transformative practice of forgiveness. Forgiveness plays a critical role in spiritual growth and emotional healing. It involves letting go of grudges, releasing resentment, and fostering a sense of inner peace. Forgiveness is the conscious decision to release feelings of resentment or vengeance towards someone who has harmed you. It does not mean condoning the behavior or forgetting the harm done, but rather freeing yourself from the emotional burden. Forgiveness is an act of self-compassion and self-liberation. It allows us to move forward without being weighed down by past hurts. Forgiveness helps heal emotional wounds by releasing negative emotions such as anger, bitterness, resentment. It promotes inner peace and emotional well-being. Holding on to grudges and resentment can block spiritual growth. Forgiveness frees us from these negative energies, allowing us to connect more deeply with our higher self and the divine. Forgiveness fosters healthier and more harmonious relationships. It allows us to go past conflicts and build stronger connections based on understanding and compassion. Forgiveness empowers us to take control of our emotions and reactions. It shifts the focus from the actions of others to our own capacity for healing and growth. Forgiveness brings a sense of inner peace and contentment. It helps us let go of the past and live more fully in the present moment. Acknowledge your feelings. Recognize and accept your feelings of hurt, anger, resentment. Allow yourself to feel these emotions without judgment. Understand the impact. Reflect on how holding on to grudges affects your emotional and spiritual well-being. Acknowledge the negative impact it has on your life. Try to practice empathy. Try to understand the perspective and motivations of the other person who hurt you. This does not mean excusing their behavior, but rather recognizing their humanity and imperfections. Make a conscious decision to forgive. Set an intention to release the negative emotions and move towards healing. If possible, communicate your feelings to the person who hurt you. This can be done through a conversation, letter, or even a symbolic act such as writing a letter then burning it. Be kind and compassionate towards yourself throughout the forgiveness process. Acknowledge that forgiveness is a journey and it may take time. Let go of expectations. Release any expectations of apology or change from the person who hurt you. Focus on your own healing and well-being. Visualize yourself letting go of the negative emotions and embracing forgiveness. Imagine a sense of lightness and freedom as you release the burden. Seek support. Reach out to a supportive friend, family, or a therapist for guidance and encouragement. Sharing your journey with others can provide comfort and validation. Cultivate gratitude for the lessons learned and the growth experienced. Through the process of forgiveness, focus on the positive aspects of your life and relationships. Take a breath. Picture someone who hurt you. Maybe a long time ago. Maybe recently. Feel the weight of the hurt and what's been carried. And the possibilities of release. Whisper to yourself, I forgive you. I release you. I wish you peace. Let the burden soften. Let your heart open. Practice a forgiveness meditation by sitting in a comfortable position and focusing your breath. Visualize the person who hurt you and silently repeat the phrases such as, I forgive you. I release you. I wish you peace. Keep a forgiveness journal to document your thoughts, feelings. Write about the hurt you experienced, your journey towards forgiveness, and any insights you gain. Use positive affirmations to reinforce your intention to forgive. Repeat statements such as, I choose to forgive and let go. I am free from resentment and anger. Create a forgiveness ritual to symbolize the release of negative emotions. This could include lighting a candle, burning a letter, or performing a symbolic act of letting go. The art of forgiveness is a powerful practice that promotes emotional healing and spiritual spiritual growth, along with inner peace, by acknowledging our feelings, practicing empathy, and setting an intention to forgive. We can release grudges and heal relationships. Embrace the journey of forgiveness to achieve a sense of liberation and inner peace. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of the art of forgiveness. Don't forget to share, subscribe, and stay connected, and follow us for more insights on spirituality and wellness. Thank you for joining us on Transcendental Harmony, sponsored by Tranquil Transcendence. Take care, everyone, and I'll see you in the next episode. Till then, namaste.